Here's another study tip from the Learning Cauldron to help with your English revision. Be selective when you're doing your discursive essay research, whether you're writing an argumentative essay or a persuasive one. If you're searching online for information about your chosen topic, use specific search phrases to make sure you obtain information that is 1. Relevant, 2. From a reputable source, and 3. Current. For example, if you want to write about, say, designer babies, you could type the following into the browser search bar. Designer Babies Guardian 2018. The Designer Babies ensures that the material will be relevant. The Guardian ensures that it will be from a reputable source, and 2018 ensures that the information will be reasonably current. Equally, you could write the pros and cons of designer babies as the search phrase, but be sure to follow it with, for example, the Times, Independent, or a relevant body such as the BMA, where you'll get an expert opinion. Doing this will speed up your research, as you can see from the screen here. By typing in a succinct phrase, I've now got articles that are relevant, that are current, and that come from a reputable source.